Hello, future makers. Welcome to Teacherpreneur. The secret to cracking a job interview is to stop believing in luck and start believing in yourself. COVID-19 has really changed a lot in our lives. Our interview styles have also changed. More and more schools and organizations are now opting for online interviews. It becomes very easy for the interviewer as well as the interviewee. Also, the technology is very simple and effective. पर जॉब इंटरव्यूज ऑनलाइन हो या ऑफलाइन, टीचरप्रेन्योर हमेशा आपके साथ। Here's presenting a video on online interview tips or how to crack online interviews. Let's get started. So the very first thing is, before you start the interview, you have to make sure that you have a fully charged laptop, latest version of Zoom, your camera and your mic right in place. Keep your background very simple and clean. Make sure that the interviewer knows that your focus is on the interview and you're well prepared for it. Do not keep messy clothes or untidy space at the back. It doesn't look. Keep a pen and a paper handy with you in case you have to note down something really important during the interview. Make sure that you inform your family members that you have an important interview going on, so they call you only if the need be and do not disturb if not required. See to it that there is minimum noise or distraction around you. Construction noise or the sound of a mixie or a small chime distracts the interviewer as well as your focus from the interview. Sit with at least 1 arm distance from the camera and keep your camera exactly at your eye level. This will ensure that the screen looks proper. Dress simply in a formal attire. Make sure that you wear complete clothes because in case you have to get up, it should not look bad. Once you're ready with all this, do a small mock call with your friend so that you know that everything is right in place. For the interview, be right on time or at least 10 minutes before the interview. This will show your discipline and etiquettes and give a good impression. Once the interview starts, just be yourself and keep smiling. During the interview, do not move a lot. Also, do not eat in the middle of the interview. Speak very softly and not very loud. Throughout the interview, stay attentive and do not multitask. You have all the time after the interview to do all your incomplete tasks. But during the interview, your focus should only be on it. Stick to the time limit of the interview. Respect the timings of the interviewer and make sure that you finish the interview well in time. Lastly, say thank you before you leave. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us if the tips were helpful for you or not. Share this with maximum teacher friends who are gonna face teacher interviews soon and subscribe to Teacherpreneur for more such videos. See you soon.